what is your outlook? And you did address this a bit in your presentation, outlook for deal flow for Empress. I'd like to see if you can comment a bit more on that, but also you're at I think, a valuable position in the market for our viewers, and that you're seeing deal flow in the broader market at large, and if money is still available despite this recent correction. So if you could comment on, first off, Empress and your deal flow, what you're looking at, and the broader market. Is there still activity out there, still interest? And has all of that been affected much by this 2-month-old, more severe correction, and really 7-month-old correction in the gold price?
In terms of the Empress deal flow, we obviously are working on the transactions I mentioned at the moment. So we're seeing a lot of opportunity. It means we're getting in, as the word's getting out about us and within our network, we're just seeing more and more opportunity out there. With regards to the gold price and commodity prices, I think some of the opportunities, some newer opportunities have been coming up to us in the last couple of weeks, have been situations where companies don't want to raise as much equity because their share prices come off or whatever it is, which then opens up more opportunity to do a stream or a royalty to kind of move them further along. So we're seeing more opportunity through this phase. And I think with our business model, we're able to adjust whether the prices are good or the prices are slightly off. We're able to work in both environments. So it's quite robust for us that way.
That's interesting. I hadn't considered that. So actually it's benefited you a bit in that mix when somebody's trying to raise money for debt, equity, streams, royalties is shifting a bit because of the drop in prices, perhaps shifting a bit in your advantage.
Yeah, and it's more what we can be able to bring to it. So, maybe we were looking before at a $2 million stream. Now they're talking about adding another $1 million on for a royalty because they don't want to raise as much of the prices where they're at. So those opportunities present itself when the market's going strong. Then they're able to raise the equity, and then they just need that little bit more to go. So we kind of work in both sides of it. Again, we're just seeing a lot of deal flow right now.
Yeah, and I guess that's the advantage too, of being right at the crux of the financing, and arranging the financing deals along with your partners and creating those royalties. So
yeah, and because we're looking at other projects that are near-term production or in production, just need to expand. They need to be able to make the decisions quickly, and are looking for the capital now. So it's much more of a now thing for us and the groups that we're working with.